Navigating ISF Compliance, Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Imports. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to providing valuable insights into the world of customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will be discussing the important topic of importer security filing, ISF, compliance with export controls and licensing requirements for pharmaceuticals and medical device imports. Understanding these requirements is crucial for ensuring regulatory compliance and maintaining safety in the healthcare industry. Importance of export controls and licensing for pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Pharmaceuticals and medical devices are highly regulated products due to their impact on public health and safety. Export controls and licensing requirements aim to ensure that these products are exported in compliance with relevant regulations, including intellectual property rights, quality standards, and import restrictions. Understanding export controls. Export controls are government-imposed regulations that restrict or regulate the exportation of certain products to specific countries or entities. They are designed to prevent the proliferation of sensitive technologies, safeguard national security, and protect intellectual property. The role of licensing in export controls. Export licenses may be required for the exportation of certain pharmaceuticals and medical devices. These licenses serve as government authorization for the export and often involve scrutiny of the product's end use, destination, and potential risks associated with the export. Export Administration Regulations, EAR. In the United States, the Export Administration Regulations, EAR, implemented by the Bureau of Industry and Security, BIS, regulate the export of certain controlled items, including specific pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Compliance with EAR is necessary to ensure adherence to export control requirements. International Traffic in Arms Regulations, ITAR. Pharmaceuticals and medical devices with potential military or defense applications may fall under the jurisdiction of the International Traffic in Arms Regulations, ITAR. Compliance with ITAR is crucial to prevent the unauthorized transfer of controlled technologies or products. ISF Compliance and Export Controls. ISF compliance is necessary for pharmaceutical and medical device imports, regardless of whether they are subject to export controls or licensing requirements. Importers must accurately and timely submit ISF data, providing essential information to customs authorities. Identifying controlled pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Importers must be able to identify whether the pharmaceuticals or medical devices they are importing fall under any export control lists or require specific licensing. This information helps determine the necessary steps to ensure compliance and secure any required export licenses. Collaboration with regulatory authorities. To understand and comply with export controls and licensing requirements, importers should collaborate closely with regulatory authorities, such as the BIS or other designated agencies. Seeking guidance from these authorities can help importers navigate the complex regulatory landscape. Licensing applications and documentation. When required, importers must submit accurate and complete license applications, detailing the specifics of the pharmaceuticals or medical devices being imported. This may include end-use documentation, technical specifications, and supporting information to substantiate compliance with export control regulations. ISF accuracy and reporting updates. Proper communication and collaboration between importers and their customs brokers are essential to ensure accurate ISF filing. Importers should promptly update their customs brokers on any changes related to export controls, licensing requirements, or shipment details that may impact ISF accuracy. Compliance audits and internal controls. Importers must establish internal controls and conduct regular audits to assess compliance with export controls and licensing requirements. Implementing robust processes for monitoring and reviewing import activities helps ensure ongoing compliance and identification of any areas requiring improvement. Data security and intellectual property protection. Pharmaceuticals and medical devices often involve proprietary technologies and sensitive information. Importers should prioritize data security and intellectual property protection, ensuring appropriate measures are in place to safeguard against unauthorized access, theft, or infringement. Continuous education and training. Given the evolving nature of export controls and licensing requirements, importers should seek continuous education and training opportunities. Staying updated on changes in regulations, participating in industry conferences, and engaging with industry associations helps importers maintain awareness and compliance. Collaboration with customs brokers. Customs brokers play a vital role in navigating the complexities of export controls and licensing requirements. Importers should collaborate closely with experienced customs brokers, who possess the necessary knowledge and expertise to navigate the compliance process. Integration of compliance software solutions. Implementing compliance software solutions can streamline import processes and enhance compliance with export controls and licensing requirements. These software solutions can automate data collection, classification, and management, improving accuracy and efficiency in ISF filing. Safe handling and quality assurance. Importers should prioritize safe handling and quality assurance practices for pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Complying with regulatory requirements, such as good manufacturing practices, GMP, is crucial to ensure the integrity and safety of imported products. Supplier due diligence. Importers should conduct due diligence on their suppliers to ensure they comply with applicable export controls and licensing requirements. This includes verifying the authenticity and validity of licenses held by suppliers, and assessing their commitment to regulatory compliance. Complying with export controls and licensing requirements for pharmaceuticals and medical device imports is essential to ensure regulatory compliance and maintain safety in the healthcare industry. By understanding these requirements, collaborating with regulatory authorities, working with experienced customs brokers, and implementing robust compliance measures, importers can navigate the complex regulatory landscape and contribute to a safe and effective supply chain. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we explore more topics related to customs brokerage and international trade.